Hello, one and all present here. This is Amit Kumar Singh, and welcome everyone to my seventh class on Tableau tutorials. And guys, in this class, we're going to discuss multiple pie chart. So I believe you remember, right? We discussed pie chart in the last class. I hope your concept about pie chart is pretty clear. So once you have done the sixth class where you have seen the concept of pie chart, then probably I'll request you go through this class. In case if you have not gone through the video about pie chart, I really want you to make sure that you watch that, then you come to this class. So whatever we are going to discuss, we'll discuss everything on MS Excel workbook. So the workbook, what I'm going to discuss is the sample superstore. Let me just drag this order over the table. So now this data source is created. If you want, you can change the name of this data source. If you want, okay, you're most welcome to do that. Okay, so you're most welcome to change the name if you want. Now, if I come to the sheet one, okay, so first let me talk about pie chart and then we'll discuss about multiple pie chart. In case if you have not seen my previous video, I really suggest you to go through that. In otherwise, let's just continue this class and talk about multiple pie chart. Before I talk about multiple pie chart, I'll show you the concept of pie chart. Okay, so pie chart altogether, what pie chart talks about, it talks about the contribution of one unit over the altogether over the entire unit. So how much each category contribute to the whole. That is what pie chart normally talks about. Okay, so guys, if you just click on the right hand side and show me, you have by default 24 charts. Okay, out of these 24 charts, what I'm looking for pie chart. So if I click on pie chart, for pie chart, I need to have at least one dimension, or I can have more than one dimension. And while for measures, I need to have at least one measure, one or two measure, not more than two measures. I believe you are clear with measures and dimensions, right? Don't tell me you're not clear about measures and dimension. It is very important for you to understand these terms, right? Measures represent numerical entities, while dimension talks about non-numerical entities. Maybe they can be date, they can be time, date, time, or maybe some alphabetical entries, gender, something which is non-numerical, maybe boolean. Those things represent dimensions, while numerical entries represent measures. Okay, so talking about dimension, let me take a dimension as region. Okay, and talking about measures, let press control and let take measure as sales. Now, guys, if you noticed, many chart become active, which you can use them. Either you can use highlight table or pie chart, or you can use bar diagram or columnar diagram, or you can use tree map. Okay, you can use packed bubbles. We'll discuss about them. So the objective of this class is to talk about pie chart. Let me just click on pie chart. The moment I clicked on pie chart, I got this pie chart which is quite small. So let's increase the size of this by clicking on entire view. And when I clicked on entire view, probably what I can do, I can just go through the ligands to understand the meaning of these color, red or orange or blue or green. Or I can, if I just go and click there, I can see them, right? You know about exclude, right? Keep only, exclude, view data. Already I have spoken about them in my previous classes. Don't tell me you don't know this, right? You know, right? Because you have gone through all my videos. So because you have gone through all my videos, so you know what I'm talking about, right? Yes or no? So if you want more clarity on that part, you just click on regions and put them under levels. You'll get the ligand values like table, central, east, west, south, all you can see here. Same wise, if I put the sales under the levels, I can see their values, sales values and all. So the sales value for each region I can see here. Very, very easy, right? Now the same thing if you want, if you don't want probably numerical value, if you want percentage value, also you don't have to worry. Just click on this sum sales, then go to quick table calculation. Here click on percentage of total and you got the percentage of total value. Okay, now if you want, no, you say, no, I want percentage also, or numerical value also. You just drag the sales over the levels, you'll get the same. If you drag the sales over the level, you get the same. Now, if you notice these percentage values, if you say that, sir, I don't want the decimals, here I'm getting decimals, or I want four place decimals, or I want till five place decimals. Whatever you want, you just click here, just do right click, go to format. Okay, when you go to the format, then what you can do, you can see here fields, click on field, then click on percentage of total sums, and here on number, click on number, go to percentage, and here you can increase the decimal or decrease the decimal. Okay, and your work is done. So this is about a simple pie chart diagram. You can, if you want, you can give a name to the sheet. Here I can give a name of the sheet, that pie chart, pie chart. Okay, pie chart region wise, pie chart region wise. I can give a name to this. Okay, let me increase the font size, make it bold, change the color of this. So again, pie chart region wise, increase the font size, make it bold, change the color. Okay, all this you can do. You can change the position. Okay, central or left or right, you can do that and press OK. So you can see that name got changed. Now, if you want to save this, what you can do, click on share. Here, server is http dot slash tableau dot public dot tableau dot com /s/s. Then you click on connect. If you want to save this work in public, Tableau public, so you can click here, but it will show you error. Why it will show you error? Already we have discussed about, right, why we get the error. The reason why we get the error, because Tableau public cannot save this work, the live work. Okay, so you know, right, why your Tableau is better than Excel or PowerPoint presentation, because the when we are working here, right, we are working on live data mode. If you make any changes in your original data and click on refresh here, automatically the same change will happen in your visualization purpose. So here, what you can do, if you want to extract this data for the publication purpose, just click on extract, come to this sheet. Okay, just save this. When you are saving this, you can save this. Okay, so Tableau data extract dot hyper. Okay, you can save this. Okay, and then you can go to sheet one. You can change the name of the sheet one, that pie chart. You can put a name for this pie chart region wise. You can give a name for this pie chart region wise. Okay, and then you can click on share, and then you can give a name for this pie chart region wise. Okay, and then you can click on save, so that this work will be saved in Tableau public. So in case if you don't have account in Tableau public profile, you need to go and create your account. If you have account, then you don't have to worry about that part. You can see the work got saved here. Fine. So here, once this is done, let me go to the another sheet and let me talk about multiple pie chart here. So we have spoken about single pie chart. Now let me talk about multiple pie chart. So here I'll talk about multiple pie chart. Multiple pie chart. I'll talk about multiple pie chart. Now, if I want to work on multiple pie chart, so let me select region for the dimension, and then press Control, click on sales. Okay, and then I'll go to show me, and then pie chart. And once I get the pie chart, change this view to an entire view, increase the size if you want, little bit if you want to increase. Okay, region you can put in level. Okay, sales you can put under levels. Okay, you can see them, right? Now imagine I now under region wise we have four region: west, east, central, south. Now if I go to category, if I put category column wise, Okay, so now I can see I have three categories: furniture, office supplies, and technology. I can see them, right? I can make a comparison between them. If you see the size of this circle, so the largest size is of technology. So you can understand the total sale under technology would be more than the total sales over furniture, and then it would be office supplies. You can compare that, guys. You can see the sales figure and you can make an understanding about them. Either you can do the sum, okay, or you just, if you go to Excel, the same Excel workbook, if you open now, if I go to region, yeah, so if I go to region here, alt control T, then summarize with pivot table. So you can see here region, and then under region, if I see the sales figure, if I see the sales figure, you can see, guys. So the maximum sales region, no, not region. So under category, you have region, right? Sorry. So under category, let me remove region here first. So first, under categories, you have three categories, right? So furniture, office supply, technology. So you can see this, guys. All DS, all DS for short. All DS not working. I'll just go here. So click on short, smallest to largest. You can see the smallest one is for office supply, then furniture, then technology. The largest is of technology. What I was trying to say, the largest is technology, then furniture, then office supply. That you can understand by looking the size of the diagram. Okay, now if I drag this category in row wise, okay, so you get these categories row wise, you can understand them. The same thing you got vertically earlier, you are getting horizontally. Now, guys, if you want to make a understanding, like some analysis you want to do from them by using this data visualization to do some kind of business intelligence from this data, you can do that. You can see the central data. So the maximum central data is of technology, followed by central, followed okay, technology, then followed by office supply, then followed by furniture. You can understand, right? So technology, and then if I compare West, you can make it understanding about them. Now, technology, then central and West, and then if you click, if you say click keep only that much data will be visible. So you know about them, right? Just remove the filter from here. So you know about them, right? So now imagine there's something called ship mode. So ship mode, what is mainly is ship mode here? Now if you see the ship mode, guys, so the ship mode, if you see, uh, like you understand, right? What this data is all about. This data is about a company called Superstore. Maybe it's somewhat like a retail chain. Whatever the sales they have generated, the moment any sales happened, at that moment only the data got recorded here. Okay, so you can see the shipping mode. You can see first class, same day, second class, standard class. So you understand, right? If you put a order through Amazon or Flipkart and all, so you get the option, right, of delivery. Like they will mention, right, some product, they'll make sure if it electronic something like that, they'll make sure you'll get the delivery maybe within the same day or maybe next day. Maybe some other products and all, they might take more time. So like the same way, so you can see the ship mode. So the same thing I'm trying to show you, like shipping mode, either it can be first class, same day, second class, standard. So altogether, all the analysis is here. You can make general analysis. Like for the shipping mode, if I want to compare the data from the region east, so you can see, you can compare for the east region, the furniture, okay, maybe first class or same day or second class or standard class, how much is the sales. So which is the ideal way of of delivering. Okay, so from the east region, so from the east region, you can see like probably the standard way of delivery is it visible as a standard class, not the same day of first class or the second class. So something like this, you can make some form of analysis. Okay, you can include, keep only, or you can discard or view data. All that you can do here. Okay, so it's very convenient for you to understand. So you can understand, right? Pie chart and all. If you click on presentation mode, you can do the same form of analysis. So when you see Tableau and you compare the Tableau with PowerPoint presentation, right? So Tableau is much more interactive than the PowerPoint presentation. Okay, the charts what you form in the Tableau is can be updated whenever the changes is made on the data. So the PowerPoint charts does not update themselves. Okay, does not they don't update themselves automatically. But when it comes to Tableau, the work is done on real time basis. So that is the advantage what you get. Okay, the same thing you can store. Okay, you can save. Okay, you can save as the same work with some name under download. Here I can save as a type. Always save as a type as dot twbx. Okay, whenever you're saving, always save the work as twbx. Okay, always when you're saving the work, always try to save the work as dot twbx. Don't save as dot twb. Okay, because if you save the work as .twb, then your data inside that will not save. So if you want to save the data uh, with the Tableau framework, you need to save in .twbx. So if I click on save, okay, the work would be saved. Then if I want to put this on Tableau public, you click on share. Okay, okay, so they're saying to make sure it does not contain public or private, sorry, some confidential information. Click on save. See, the work is done. So I have saved this work. So around 10 GB of public space we got. So now saving the work become very easy here, very convenient to save the work here. So I hope guys you have understood this multiple pie chart. You understood the idea of bringing the concept of multiple pie chart all together. This help you in analyzing your framework. So this much from the present class. So guys, it's time to wind up the class. Let me know if you have any doubt. You can use chat option to ask as much questions as you can. So with that intention, it's time to say goodbye to all of you. Take care. Bye everyone. God bless you.